Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dhruvi and today we are going to create one Halloween look. And this is my first time, to be honest, and I'm really very nervous. So let's start. Let's see how it turns out. Firstly, I'm taking some colors, but if you want you can use eye makeup or a mascara or a liner or anything you have. After that, start with black. I think the shapes are not very good, but let's just give it a try. Which look have you tried? This side it's looking nice, right? I think this is not proper.
Give it a try.
I think it's looking quite Halloweeny. After this, I'm planning to go with toothpick. Okay, I think it's done. This is my final look. So if you guys like my video, then I can't even laugh or talk nicely. Oh my god. So if you like my video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for such looks. And if you want me to try something new, something else than this, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching me, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, see you.